Hello all, welcome back. In this series, I will explain the fundamentals of networking, starting with the TCP three-way handshake, which is one of the most important concepts of networking. So without any delay, let's get started. The TCP three-way handshake. So what is TCP? TCP is Transmission Control Protocol. This protocol sits or works on the layer 4 of the OSI layer. It is connection-oriented, it is reliable, it is full duplex, it operates on a client-server point-to-point mode. We'll see how it really works. So when we talk about TCP, we say, when somebody asks you, what is TCP three-way handshake? You say, SYN-ACK. Let's see what's more inside this SYN-ACK. So for a client to talk to the server, it first needs to initiate a request. Without the client initiating the request, we cannot talk to the server. So first, the client sends a SYN message to the server saying, hey, I want to talk to you. I need some data which is on the server, and we need to talk. So that is what happens. The client will send a SYN. The server will send a SYN and an acknowledgement saying, okay, I acknowledge, I'm okay to talk to you. So are you ready to talk to me? The client then sends an acknowledgement back saying, yes, I'm ready to talk. Let's see this in more detail. So here on the SYN packet, the first packet, when the client is sending to the server, the SYN packet has a sequence number. Among many of the fields of the TCP header, the sequence number is one of the most important fields which help us identify which packet talks to which packet. So when the SYN is sent from the client to the server, let's take this as an example. The sequence number of the SYN that is coming from the client to the server is 5432. So when the server gets this request, the server looks into it, and when the server is ready to talk, it will send an acknowledgement back, and it will also send its own SYN. So the acknowledgement number would be the sequence number of the server, 5432 plus 1, that is 5433. So that's how acknowledgement works. The sequence number of the SYN request plus add 1 would be the acknowledgement number of the response. And the sequence number is 12 in this case. We are talking about this SYN. So this ACK is the response to this SYN. So this SYN is being sent by the server to the client. So now what the client has to do, the client has to respond to the server saying, yes, I'm ready to talk to you. So what it does is it responds back to the SYN, adding 1, 12 plus 1, 30 to the server, say that, okay, I'm ready to talk to you, and let's start transferring data. So this is the TCP three-way handshake. I will show you in Wireshark about the sequence number and how it actually works practically. Okay, so I have a TCP capture opened. I just captured a packet from my machine going out to one of the websites. So let's just look at the first 3 packets. The first packet is a SYN packet, right? So this is my source laptop. 192.168.0.105 is talking to the destination 20.189.173.1. So my device is sending a SYN request to the destination. So if you look here, we were talking about a sequence number, right? So look at this sequence number. The sequence number is ending with 275. So the next packet is an acknowledgement coming from 20.189.173.1, the server coming to my laptop. There is a SYN and an acknowledgement. So what we learned is the acknowledgement number should be this number plus 1. Let's go to that packet. So here is the acknowledgement number. That number, let me go back again. The number ends 275. Acknowledgement number is sequence number plus 1. So 276. So this is an acknowledgement from the server to my laptop. My laptop is a client in this case. Now, if you look at this, do you see one more sequence number here? So this sequence number is the sequence number of the server's request coming onto the client saying, I'm ready to talk to you. Are you ready to talk to me? 218 is the ending number. So when I go here to look at the acknowledgement, so what number should it have? The acknowledgement number on the third field here should be 219. You see this? So this is 219 here. So this is the flow of TCP SYN-ACK. I hope this video was helpful to you and I was able to explain you in details about the TCP three-way handshake. Please like and subscribe for more videos on this series and also comment with your feedback on how to improve myself and make better videos for you. Thank you for viewing and see you again.